Hi everyone, I'm Jignesh from customer support team at OnceHub. In this quick video, I'll walk you through how to update your payment method in your OnceHub account. It's super simple and you'll be done in less than a minute. Sometimes you might need to update your payment method. Maybe your credit card expired, your company switched billing cards, or you just want to make sure your subscription renews smoothly without any interruption. Whatever the reason, keeping your payment details up to date ensures uninterrupted access to your OneSub account and scheduling features. So for that, log into your OneSub account and you would land on to your homepage. Then click on the gear icon on the top right, choose billing. On the page load, choose the option payment method and you will get all the payment methods that you have added onto your OneSub account. Now, for example, I want to make this as my primary payment method. So I will click on the right side, the three dots on the right side of the payment method and click on make primary. And that is it. With this help, with these steps, simple steps, you will be able to update your payment method in OneSub. If you ever need help with billing or subscription issues, our support team is always here to help you. Just reach out via email or chat. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more quick OneSub tips. Take care. Bye bye.